Hello, if you're new here, my name is Clay. I do makeup here. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my bell post notifications. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this simple, seamless look. If you're interested in this video, make sure to stay tuned after the intro. First things first, I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some foundation. So I'm just going to directly apply that on the skin. I'm going to take a foundation brush and start from the center of the face, then blend outwards. Sort of just warming up the product to melt into the skin. And take the product on the forehead, start from the center of the forehead, and sort of just blend it up in the hairline. And whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just going to pounce that over the areas where I have acne or redness, just to add a little more coverage. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some contour and just take it from the temple a little bit downwards and create a box around the mouth. Small bit around the nose, a little bit through the brow, and a box on the side of the forehead. And I'm just going to take the same foundation brush and blend out the contour. And I'm just going to take the contour and blend it backwards into the hairline. And blend out those cheekbones with stamping motions. And blend out that line downwards to make the look a little more masculine. Blend out that brow bone and also the nose. Whatever's left over, I'm putting underneath the lip. Now I'm going to apply some concealer to highlight underneath the eyes. Just a small amount, just a dot on each side, and just to highlight the tip of the nose and the bridge of the nose. I'm going to take the same foundation brush once again and sort of just consolidate the product with tapping motions, then bring it outwards. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to go ahead and drag down a little bit just to create a gradient of highlight. I'm going to go ahead and tap out the tip of the nose and also the bridge of the nose. Whatever's left over, right through the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush. I'm just going to do one dot on each side, and I'm just going to blend out the product with the brush just to give it a little more of a flush, natural look. Whatever's left over on the side of the nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that to the side of the forehead, blending it inwards to the hairline. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to blend through the middle of the hairline. And also a small bit underneath the cheekbone. Whatever's left over on the side of the nose. I'm going to go ahead and take a NYX contour stick with the highlighter and sort of just highlight the high points of the face. And I'm going to take my foundation brush once again and just blend out the product with stamping motions so that it won't seem a little too harsh. I'm going to go ahead and set the face. I'm going to take this setting brush and just do triangle motions underneath the eye and just set a little bit on the forehead. I'm going to go ahead and line the lips with some lip liner and just align the lips. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this lip oil, just apply it directly on the lips. Now I'm going to work on the eyes. I'm going to go in with that bronzer before and take a packing brush and just apply that all over the lid and the crease and just sort of just blend it out. Whatever's left over on the lower eyelid. And I'm just take a little bit of an eyeliner and sort of just take it on the outside corner and just a little bit right there on the outside corner of the upper eyelid. I'm going to take a smudging brush and just blend out that eyeliner starting from the outside corner and bring it inwards. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and just coat the lashes. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some brow gel, sort of just give the brows a little bit of a tint and also sort of just sculpt them how I wish. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some setting spray and just round the face and draw off my face with my little fan. Blend out this harsh hairline with my sponge. And this is the complete look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to all your friends. And with that being said, I thank you for watching. Remember to do all things with love, and until next time, bye.